Herbert Peabody and the watermelon pizza. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Herbie's been to the market. Yippee! Red watermelon and blackberries. Red raspberries and an orange mango we see. We're heading to Nana and Granddad's house to make watermelon pizza to share. Let's start with the pizza base. Granddad cuts the watermelon with care. We put the slices onto a plate to make our watermelon pizza base. Granddad cuts away the rind. Now preparing the mango takes place. Granddad carefully slices off the side and cuts the mango like so. This will make a yummy topping. We scoop it off the skin and it's ready to go. Our first topping is ready. Now for blackberries and raspberries too. We mix them with fresh water. Topping our watermelon pizza is next to do. Mango first, then the berries. Our watermelon pizza is almost done. Look at all these beautiful colours. There's a slice for everyone. Granddad serves up our watermelon pizza with a scoop of ice cream. Yay! And we can't wait to see